The Gabor-Granger pricing technique is defined as a pricing question used in survey research to determine the price elasticity of products and services. Finding your customers' willingness to pay for services or products is considered the main reason for market research. What value do your consumers put for your product is the main question that needs to be answered. A common method to understand this is to expose people to a price and then ask if people would buy it or not. A technique commonly known as Gabor-Granger. On the following screen, we'll use the Gabor-Granger method to find the price point at which a customer is willing to purchase a product, such as a grinder. For this exercise, the base price is set at $300 with a minimum of $250 and a maximum of $410. The price will increase in steps of 10 and decrease in steps of 5. These values can be easily adjusted by modifying the embedded data as shown below. Let's get started. When we click Yes, the next question is asked with previous price plus 10, whereas if we click No, then it is asked with previous price minus 5. All the response for each displayed price point is stored in Qualtrics for further analysis as seen in the table. The exercise can be easily customized as required. Please check the description and thanks for watching.